Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the societal responsibilities in avoiding unethical practices. As in the previous video we have learned about the intellectual property protection and the positive and the negative aspects of intellectual property protection. With reference to the previous slide, in this video we will learn about the difference between the ethical and the unethical behavior, what are the factors influencing the ethical behavior, and what are the societal responsibilities in avoiding unethical practices. What is ethical behavior? As in the previous slide, we have learned about the term ethics. So, it is a code of moral principle and it sets standards of good and bad as opposed to right and wrong. Personal values helps in determining the individual ethical behaviors, terminal values and instrumental values. Now, there are four views of ethical behavior. It includes individualism view, utilitarian view, justice view and moral rights view. Utilitarian view means greatest good to the greatest number of people. Individualism view means primary commitment is to one's long-term self-interest. Moral rights view of ethics respects and protects the fundamental rights of all the people, and justice view means fair and impartial treatment of people according to the legal rules and standards. Now please pause this video and try to recapitulate those four views of ethical behavior. Now, what is unethical behavior? Unethical behavior is an action which falls outside what is considered as morally right or proper for a person. Example, unethical advertising of a product. Now, if the product has already degraded or giving false information or failed to give information about the side effects of the product, it is considered as unethical advertisement. Now, please pause this video and try to differentiate between ethical and unethical behavior. What are the factors that influences the ethical behavior? First factor, the person. It includes family influence, religious values, personal standards and personal needs. Second is the organization. Here, supervisory behavior, peer group norms and behavior, policy statements and written rules. Third is the environment. Government laws and regulations, societal norms and values, and competitive climate in an industry are the three main factors which influences the ethical behavior in the workplace. Now please pause this video and try to recapitulate those three important factors. Societal responsibilities in avoiding unethical practices. Responsibilities are to look on the ethical issues on the organizational level, to organize and to act in two ways so that it will serve as the interest of its own and the interest of society at large, and to manage the broader social welfare not just for profit, and to maintain the ethics in the corporate society. The following things are required: higher management, leadership, performance achieved with high ethical standards, societal responsibility. Proactive strategy is the first requirement. Secondly, accommodative strategy, defensive strategy, and obstructionist strategy. So, strategies for pursuing social responsibility are proactive strategy. It meets socio-economic, legal, ethical, and discretionary responsibilities. Secondly, accommodative meets economic, legal, and ethical responsibilities. Third, defensive means to meet economic and legal responsibilities, and obstructionist means to meet economic responsibilities. Thus, in the conclusion of the three videos, we can conclude that The intellectual property is socially responsible in technology transfer so that it can promote ethical commercialization and innovations for the public welfare. Thank you.